Hi students, here I wrote previous year annual examinations, 3 marks arithmetic progression problems. So every year they ask such problems for 3 to 4 marks. Maximum they ask for such questions for 4 marks. So here in 90% of each problem, here one similarity is there. For after reading the question, we write the make the question into two pair of linear equations and then solve them and find the value of a and d. With the help of that a and d, you can calculate any sum what they ask in the whether they ask in their sum or any term or the ap, or they simply they ask a first term and common difference. So it is similar in all type of arithmetic questions. Okay, let's start solve this problem. So here, what is the given here? First, we read the question clearly. The sum of first 9 term of an AP is. So this is the first part. So here they give the sum of first 9 term, that is S9. S9 equal to 144. And then write the next part. And its ninth term is. So here they give ninth term, that is A9. A9 is how much? 28. Most of students have confusion how to write this one. So now here you use Sn, here you use An. So here Sn formula, Sn equal to n by 2 into bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Here n is 9, Sn is 144. In place of Sn, I write 144. In place of n, I write 2 because it is sum of 9 term. So here we don't know the value of a plus, and here n again 9 minus 1 into d. So here now bring this 9 by 2 to LHS, it becomes inverse. 9 by 2 becomes 2 by 9. So here what will remains? 2a plus 9 minus 1 becomes 8, 8d. So now 9 ones are 9, 9 16s are 16 nines are 144. Therefore 16 twos are 32. So here you write in this way 2a plus 8d, 16 twos are 32. Now here whole equation is divisible by one number. I divide it by 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8, 2 16s are 32. Now I call this equation as 1. Now they gave the another relation. The ninth term is 28. I write this one as and make one more equation. Ninth term is written plus 8d is equal to 28. So I call this one as equation number 2. Now we get two pair of linear equations. You already know the how to solve the pair of linear equation. Just in that way you solve these two equations, you get the value of a or d. Here now in this equation, so both the equations in both the equation a has same coefficient, so and say have same opposite signs. It means we subtract equation 2 in 1. So when we subtracted, the sign of equation 2 changes. So positive becomes negative and positive becomes negative. Here also positive becomes negative. Plus 1a minus 1 becomes 0. And here 4d minus 8d. Here 8 is bigger one. Hence the remaining part is minus. 8 minus 4 becomes 4d. And here also same. 28 is bigger. Its sign is negative. 28 minus 16 means it is 12. Therefore 4d, d is equal to minus 12. So this is multiplication with the, bring it to RHS becomes division, minus 4. Minus minus get cancelled, becomes plus. 4 ones are 4 threes are 12. So therefore d value becomes 3. Now you substitute this 3 d value in any one of the equation, you get the a first term. So put above value in 1. Put the above value in 1. So yeah, a plus 4, d value is 3. is equal to 16. Therefore, A is equal to 16. 4 3s are 12. Bring this 12 to RHS, it becomes minus 12. Therefore, A is equal to 16 minus 12 becomes 4. Now we get the A value also. Here they ask, then find the first term and common difference. We calculated both of them. So in some problems they asked any term or sum also. You calculate them. Okay, students. If you understand this one, you subscribe my channel and like my channel. If you have any doubts in any topics, you can write that one in my comment box. I will solve your doubts.